Designed to impress, the Ignite Bolt from Dimplex is a stunning and realistic electric fire, infusing atmosphere and warmth into any room. Combining design inspiration with the very latest technologies, this stylish fire provides an eye-catching flame experience through the Optiflame effect, originally crafted by Dimplex. This modern built-in fire comes with a mirror effect that increases the depth of the fire. Plus, with the high viewing glass, you will be captivated by the mesmerizing flames dancing over the realistic logs, providing a warming glow. This model comes in 3 different sizes: 50, 60 and 74 inch. And with the unique linking kit, you can connect multiple fires together to create an even longer fireplace, making the Ignite Bolt the perfect solution for both domestic and commercial applications. Available in 3 installation options, 1, 2 or 3-sided, the possibilities for customization are endless. Whether you are aiming for a subtle impression or a striking centerpiece, the Ignite Bolt is perfect for any style and home. Use the Dimplex Flame Connect app or the remote control to change the fire experience to your liking, adjusting color, brightness, speed, and even media bed color, all by the touch of a button. The patented Comfort Saver technology reduces unnecessary energy usage while keeping a stable room temperature, providing all the heat you need in an efficient way and helping you save up to 11% of energy. Discover Ignite Bolt by Dimplex. Experience better living.